Hello everybody, how are you? I hope you all are fine there. So today we are just going to discuss the fourth part of Electronic Spreadsheet Advanced under CBSE code 402. So let's start. So the first slide is we have to see how to set up a spreadsheet for sharing. If you just want to set up a spreadsheet for sharing, what all steps you should follow? First of all, you have to click Tools. Under Tools, you can click on Share Document to activate the collaboration features, and then the dialog box will get open और उस dialog box पे आपने enabling करनी होती है, ठीक है? Then to enable sharing, first of all you have to select the box at the top of the dialog and then click OK. A message will appear stating that you must save the worksheet to activate shared mode. And click yes to continue. The word shared is then shown on the title bar after the worksheet's title. My next step is to show how to open a shared spreadsheet. Now when you open a spreadsheet that is in shared mode, you see a message that the worksheet is in shared mode and that some features are not available in this mode. You can choose to disable this message for the future. After clicking OK, the worksheet is opened in the shared mode. So this is how you can just open a shared spreadsheet. So let's start a practical to share and review a spreadsheet. Now in order to share and review a spreadsheet, first of all create a sheet. In the sheet I have written the marks 1400, 1600, 1900. So first of all I'll just save the sheet, go in file, click save option, ठीक है? Save option पे click on new folder. New folder आ गया, just create any new folder over here. Let's say you have created the folder with the name SGHPS. ठीक है? Just save this file in the folder by any name, give any file name. Let's say you have given the name B1, click enter or save. Now just see your file, this file is saved with the name b1.ods, ठीक है? Now what you do is just go in tools where you have share option. Now just click here on this, share this spreadsheet with other users, click कर दो. So after you will click, it will just show you the name of the person who is accessing the file and the time period also, ठीक है? Click OK. So when you will click OK, it will ask you, do you wish to continue? आप कहोगे yes, ठीक है? Now just see here, this file is saved by the name b1.ods and this file is shared. Bracket में लिखा आ गया shared, ठीक है? Open Office Calc में ये file share हो रही है. Now what I'll do is I'll just change the entry over here. I'll just write it 2100, ठीक है? I'll just save it. I'll save the new version of this file. I'll go in version, file में जाके version. I'll click on save new version. I'll write the name over here. Let's say I have written the name D1. Click OK. ठीक है? Just see here, this entry is saved with the name D1. I'll close it. I'll again change the entry. 13100 I'll write. I'll save it. I'll save it again with version 2. ठीक है? Save new version. I'll write here D2. Okay. Just see here my two versions are saved now. So whenever I just want to review the spreadsheet, I'll just again click on the version I have created, T1. It will ask you open a read-only copy. You will say yes. ठीक है? देखो 2100 से जो आपने पहले बनाई थी फाइल, that file is reflecting over here. ठीक है? Again, I'll go in version. I'll click on D2. Open read-only copy. 3100 के नेम से मैंने क्रिएट की थी, that same file is over here. So this way you can just share and review a spreadsheet. So the next step is how to disable a shared spreadsheet. You can turn off sharing by following these steps. You can display the review tab of the ribbon and click the share workbook tool in the changes group. Excel displays a share workbook dialog box and then you can clear the allow changes checkbox and click on OK. So my next step is how to unshare the file, ठीक है? फाइल की शेयरिंग आपने कैसे हटानी है. इन ऑर्डर टू अनशेयर द फाइल जस्ट गो ऑन अगेन इन टूल्स में जाके क्लिक ऑन शेयर. जो आपने ये इनेबल किया था जस्ट डिसेबल इट and click OK. So it is asking you disabling shared mode of a spreadsheet hinders all other users of the shared spreadsheet to merge back their work. Do you want to continue? You will say yes. अब देखो ये सिंपल फाइल बन गई b1.ods. This is simple file but not a shared file. Okay. So the next slide is about the record changes. Now Kayak has a feature to track what data was changed, when the change was made, who made the change, and in which cell the change has occurred. We are going to see this in practical also. So my next point to explain is about the changes you can make, how to make the changes reflection. In order to show the changes you have made, what you have to do is you have to go in edit menu. Edit में you have the changes option. पहले इस record को आप enable करो. To set the changes record enable, just click it over here. अब आप देख रहे हो कि यहाँ पर एक right tick लग गई है, enable हो गया. So after enabling this, just change the number over here. Now let's say आपने यहाँ पर कर दिया 6000. ठीक है. So what you do is जब आप 6000 कर देते हो तो जस्ट सी इट इज सराउंडेड बाय अ रेड रेक्टेंगुलर बॉक्स. ठीक है. एंड इट इज शोइंग यू कि दिस सेल में किस ऑथर ने कितने बजे कितने टाइम पर सेल चेंज किया फ्रॉम 300 टू 6000. सो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन मेक द रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ चेंजेस. कि कैसे रिफ्लेक्शन करनी है चेंजेस की, ये आप शो कर सकते हो किसी भी सेल में. सो माई नेक्स्ट स्लाइड इज to how to compare the document. Let's say this in practical. So my next point of explanation is how to change and merge the file. Now first of all I have created one sheet over here, and in the sheet I have written some numbers. Now what I'll do is I'll just save this file. I'll give a name to the file. Click on save. Click कर दिया. I'll just save it by the name original 5. ठीक है. Original So I have saved this file on the desktop with the name original5, and it is showing you the name of the file over here, original5.ods OpenOffice Calc. Now what I'll do is I'll just make the changes over here 650 900. ठीक है. Again I'll go in file, click save as option. So save as option में I'll click here and write the name of the file change 5, and I'll save it on the desktop. ठीक है. ये desktop पर ये file save हो गई है. Now my next point is how to compare these two files. अब हमने comparison में देखना है कि कौन सी changes कहाँ पर हुई है और कैसे हुई है. ठीक है. I'll go in edit menu. You have here compare document option. Click on compare document option. You saved your original file with the name original5. ठीक है. इसको यहाँ पे ले लो. original5 के साथ आपने कंपेयर करनी है. क्लिक ऑन original5, ओपन. ठीक है. just see here it is showing you this dialog box, and in this dialog box it is written कि कौन सी शीट कब चेंज हुई है, किस ऑथर ने चेंज की है, and the time period also ये कब चेंज हुई है, and the cell content also कि कहाँ से कहाँ तक चेंज हुई है. So if you want to accept your changes, you just accept it. Either accept all, जो भी आपने अगर select किया होगा उसे accept कर लो, या फिर accept all कर दो, click कर दो. ठीक है. So when you will click, just close it. Just see here, this file is compared now. ये फाइल हमने compare कर ली है original फाइल के साथ. ठीक है. So this is the method to compare the file. My next slide is how to protect the document. Let's see this in practical, how to protect the document. Similarly, if you want to protect your file, just go in edit. Edit में you have the change option. Change option में click on protect records. So when you'll click over here protect records, so just give the password over here. Any password to your file. Let's say I've given the name ABC. again confirm it, okay कर दो. So now this file is protected. किसी को भी जिसको पासवर्ड पता होगा तो वही पर्सन आपकी ये फाइल खोल पाएगा. My next step is to show how to merge the worksheets. Now, sometimes multiple reviewers return edited versions of a worksheet at the same time. In this case, it may be quicker to review all of these changes at once rather than one review at a time. For this purpose, Calc provides a feature of merging worksheets. Now, to merge worksheets, what all steps you have to follow? You have to open the original worksheet. You have to select Edit, Changes, and then click on Merge Document. Then the file selection dialog box will get open, and then you have to select a file you want to merge and click OK. We are just going to see this thing in the practical also. So similarly, if you want to merge your file, what you do is go in Edit. Edit में you have the option Changes. Changes में you have the option Merge Document. ठीक है, Merge Document click करो. Original 5 के साथ आपने merge करवाना है. Click on Original 5. Click Open. So when you will click Open, just here it is asking you कि accepted change contents ये थे sheet 1A.3 पर, and it was name of the author also and the date also and the comments also कि ये cell change हुआ है. So if you want to accept it, just accept it and close it. So this is how you can merge your file. So this was all about the slides. I hope each and every point is clear to you. So stay safe, stay healthy, and happy learning.